Hi, to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, we got two ways. Let me show you the first way, which is default and simple. We just need to hold power and volume down buttons at the same time. So in my case, they are located on top of the tab because I hold it in this landscape view. So let me show you this closer. This small button is the power button and this one is volume down. So you need to press them at the same time and the screenshot will be taken. Let me show you this with focus on my screen. So I'm gonna press them together and here is the screenshot. You can immediately select it by tapping and open with the help of gallery or any other app. Let's do the screenshot one more time. And also we got the option to edit it. So just tap. Here you can drag the corners to resize it, like that. You can draw something on your screenshot, just like this. You can tap this pen icon, select another type of pen. You can select different color and also the size. You can mark it as your favorite by tapping the star. You can delete your drawings using this eraser or this arrow to go back like that. Also, you can tap this icon and share with the screenshot and select to delete after sharing. And of course, you can immediately save it like that. Now to find your screenshot, you will need to open gallery. You can find it in this today's folder or tap on the three lines. From here, you need to select albums and then go in this additional album, which is screenshots. So select it and here you will find all of your screenshots. And now let me show you the second way how to take a screenshot. For that, you will need to swipe across the screen with the help of the edge of your palm. So you'll need to take this gesture and now the screenshot is taken. Let me show you this one more time. So we need to swipe across the screen with the help of the edge of the palm, and of course we can edit this screenshot as well and save it to the gallery. If something does not work with this gesture, you will need to go in your tab settings. From here, select this tab advanced features, then go in motion and gestures, and here make sure that this feature palm swipe to capture is enabled. When it's enabled, you'll see that this switcher lights up blue like that. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.